If you need library books in accessible electronic formats, there are three options: finding electronic books, requesting chapter scans, and requesting whole book scans. The book may already be in electronic format in the Omni Library catalog. To limit to electronic, choose Available Online from the search filters after you've done your search. If you run into trouble with download limits, we can download and compile files for you so they work with your text-to-speech reader. Sometimes a book is only available in print. If you only need a chapter, you can request it in Omni and the library will scan it for you and do basic OCR on the PDF. To request a chapter, sign into Omni, then click on a print book title to see its full record. Under Get It, select the option called Scan Section. Fill in the chapter information. You'll get an email with the PDF in a couple of days. If an ebook format doesn't work for you, or you need a whole print book, you can request an electronic version. It doesn't matter if the Laurier Library owns the book or not. The library uses the ACE service, a partnership between Ontario University Libraries which scans print books in Toronto. To request electronic versions of print books, you need an ACE token. If you're registered with Accessible Learning or Human Resources, you can get a token from those offices. If you have a print disability but aren't registered, you can get a token from the library. You can make requests in multiple ways. In Omni, the library catalog, you'll see a link underneath each book that says Request Alternate Format for Print Disabled Users. If you click on this link, you'll get a request form. Fill in this form and put in your ACE token. You can also make a request from the library website. Go to the library's main webpage and type Alternate Format Form in the upper search box to find the alternate format request form. Fill out the form and put in your ACE token and submit your request. If you prefer not to use the forms, you can send a request by email to libaccessibility@wlu.ca. If we can find an already digitized version of your request, or if we own the print book locally, we can get it to you in a few days. If it needs to be scanned by ACE, it usually takes 1 to 2 weeks. We'll email you when your book is ready. If you would like to, you can check to see what books have already been scanned and are available in ACE. Search the ACE site at ace.scholarsportal.info. Click on the Access ACE Content button. Then log in using your ACE token. Search for books in the main search box. Select a title to see the available versions and download them. Most of our services provide PDF files with basic OCR. If you need other formats or additional accessibility features, we have other services. One is Census Access. It's a self-service online tool you can use to convert files to different formats, for example, PDF to Word or MP3, or add accessibility such as OCR. Upload your file and get results emailed to your Laurier address in a few minutes. To find Census Access, search for it in the upper search box on any library web page. We also do in-house remediation. We can convert to different formats, clean up files, and add accessibility features like headings and lists for navigation. To request these services, use the alternate format request form mentioned earlier, or email us. For more information about any of our accessibility services, check out the Accessibility Hub on the library website. On any web page, choose the Services menu, then Accessibility Hub. If you have questions or want help, don't hesitate to contact us at libaccessibility@wlu.ca.